Hey champs, today we are going to learn geolocation and find the radius in MongoDB with Node.js. Okay, so first need to create model new file with the name is places.js and const mongoose required mongoose. Okay, and create a schema place schema let place schema and first name is type string and default value is blank. Location has type and coordinates, and the third parameter is status. Okay, default value type number, timestamp is true. So friends, location type is string enum points and coordinates type number, longitude and latitude. Okay, now need to add index to this sphere and module dot exports place schema. Okay, so the model has been done now, place model. Now we are going to the controller, and first we need to import place model here. So friends, first we need to add place model data in database. Okay, so now I'll make zoom. Now, okay, whereas send place created. Now, insert place created. Data has been created now. Now we make comment, otherwise it's import again and again. And now let create a pipeline. Now we get data from the database. So first need to create a pipeline, blank pipeline, and pipeline is file. Okay, so geoNear is a pipeline stage. So it has some parameter. No need to add this. Okay. So near type point and coordinate with this, and distance field is equal distance, and max distance is 1000 meter. Spheral true. Spheral means golakar. Okay. Now check this. Let place data await place data aggregate pipeline, and now you can send this at now. Okay, so data is coming now. Okay, and if I add, I'll just make it pretty. JSON. Okay, so JSON string JSON string file place data. Let JSON string need to just send as and okay. Now I'm going to have okay something is going to okay. Now you and add 4 here. 4 means pretty. Now this data will be pretty. Now okay. Now if you change this 50 meters, now you can get just two results. And if you want more, you can add. So this is in meters. So friends, if you think this video is useful, please like, subscribe, and comments if you want anything other, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching.